Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or tutorial on how you use a free iOS app called Google Slides or Slides for Judaic instruction and staff development. Now, Google Slides is an iOS or Apple app, and thus I'm making two assumptions. The first is that you have an iOS device such as an iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone. And secondly, you know how to download the Google Slides app onto your iOS device. So if this is true, let's show you how you can use Google Slides or Slides for Judaic instruction and staff development. So the first thing we're going to do is find Google Slides on our iOS device, and you see it's located over here. So let's tap on Slides and get to Slides. And you'll notice right up here is a search bar, and I'm going to look for, I'm going to tap into that search bar, and I'm going to write, where can you find find, and let's see if it has the slide that I want to. Where can you find, yes, where can you find Sukkot? Okay, so let's tap on that and get to it. And this is the one that I made earlier today. I'll go over it very quickly. See, it says, where can you find Sukkot? There's a picture of a sukkah there. And it says on a bicycle. The third slide says an apartment building. The next one is on a military base. The next one says on a boat. The sixth one is on a porch. Here we have one in a plaza. Here we have in a neighborhood. And the last one we have asked the question, where is your sukkah located? Okay, so let me show you how I made this. Okay, so let's get back to the original, and you see down over here where the plus sign is, and it's in a red circle. Let's tap on that, and let's title this new presentation, for simplicity's sake, let's call this simply a demonstration. Okay, demonstration. So I'm going to TION, then we hit create, which is right over here, and we are now creating a slide. Okay, so the first slide is located up here on the left, and it involves places to write two different items, but let's say I don't want to write two different items. I simply want to have everything as on one blank sheet. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. And what I want to do is write text. Now, in order to write text, you see up here where the plus sign is? Let's tap on the plus sign. And you see over here it says text. So let's click on text, and let's write the text. Where can you find, I'll capitalize Sukkot, SUKKOT. Let's have a question mark at the end. All right, now if I want to make certain changes, if I want to make this into a paragraph, see up here, I just hit paragraph, and I could change the alignment, right? So I could do that. And if I also wanted to change the color and make it let's go back over here. And also let's change the size. Let's hit size. Size is over here. Let's make it larger. Okay, I'm gonna have to select the whole thing. Let's select the whole thing, right? And let's make it boldface, and let's make it larger. So to make it larger, we go to the A sign over here, and we're going to hit size, right? And we're going to increase the size. Do you see how I'm increasing the size up here? Okay. We can also change the color if we want by hitting here, but we'll just keep it here for now for simplicity. And let's hit the keyboard icon, and let's move this up. Just bring this thing up. So it says, where can you find Sukkot? And we want to put a picture right in the middle, and I'll show you how we put a picture in the middle. We go back to where the plus sign is. See the plus sign? And you see over here it says image. So we click on image, and we have two choices. Go to the photos library or go to the camera. I want to go to the photos library. So let's tap on photos, and let's see if we could find a photo of the sukkah in a desert. So I'll tap on that. And sure enough, let's move this. Here's a picture of, and then if you want to add another page, you see this area right over here, you just tap on that, and that'll give you your next page, and you have different choices. So if I want a page with a slide and a title, or title and body, I could use that, or I could just make it into a blank page, and there's the blank page. So what have we said? What we have said is slides, right over here, is something that the Judaic student or Judaic teacher can utilize to share their PowerPoint presentations that are related to Judaic instruction or staff development. In the particular example we gave a demonstration of how to create slides related to Sukkot. Thank you very much.